Hello guys, and welcome to Math Made Easy with Mr. T. Welcome! Welcome to Radical Made Easy. Our objective, I can write radical form to exponential form. Let's do this. Let's begin. Our objective, I can write radical form to exponential form. Let's do this. We have square root of 49. Square root of 49. Remember, if there's no number there, it's automatically number 2 in the square root. And in the exponent, in 49, if there's no number there, it's automatic number 1. Don't forget that. So first we have to identify the following. We have the index, which is 2, okay, but most of the time you won't see it. Put it there so you will notice it, okay. We have the radical sign and the square root symbol. We have the radicand and the exponent, okay. So how are we going to change this radical form into exponential form? It's very easy, guys, and this is the answer. 49 raised to 1/2. Okay, so look at the radicand. It became our base of the exponent. Okay, exponential form. And we have the index, which is 2. It became our denominator. And the exponent, which is 1, became our numerator. So our answer is, our exponential form is 49 raised to 1/2. Just like that. You got it. Our objective, I can write radical form to exponential form. Let's do this. We have cube root of 2 raised to 4. Cube root of 2 raised to 4. Okay, so we have the index, which is number 3. Okay, we have the radical sign or the square root symbol. We have the radicand, and we have the exponent of the radicand. Okay, so how are we going to answer this? Very easy, guys. Okay, so the answer is this, 2. Okay, we have raised to 4/3. Okay, so I color-coded it. Look at 2, the radicand. The radicand became our base, okay, in the exponential form. And the index is always the denominator, and that is number 3. Okay, and the exponent is our numerator, and that is always the same. Exponent will become the numerator, the index will always be the denominator. So our final answer is 2 raised to 4/3. Just like that. You got it. Let's have another example. Again, the objective, I can write radical form to exponential form. Let's do this. Okay, so we have cube root of 8 raised to 2. Okay, cube root of 8 raised to 2. Okay, again, don't forget that this is the index. Okay, this is the radical sign or the square root symbol. Okay, and we have the radicand and the exponent. Okay, so what do you think is the answer? Okay, again, this is our radicand. It became our base. Okay, always the radicand will be the base in the exponential form, and the index is always and forever the denominator. Okay, and the exponent will always be the numerator. Okay, so our final answer, changing the radical form, cube root of 8 raised to 2 is 8, okay, raised to 2/3. Okay, just like that. Easy, right? Hope you get it. Let's have additional practice. Our objective, I can write radical form to exponential form. Let's do this. We have fourth root of 2x raised to 2. Fourth root of 2x raised to 2. How are we going to solve this? First, we need to identify the following again. We have the index, we have the radical sign or the square root symbol, we have the radicand, and we have the exponent. Then we are just going to change it to its exponential form. Okay, just like that, we have 2x raised to 2 over 4. As you can see, our radicand became our base. Okay, our index number 4 became our denominator, and the exponent became our numerator. So we have 2x raised to 2 over 4, just like that. You got it. Again, our objective, I can write radical form to exponential form. Let's do this. We have fourth root, quantity of 2x raised to 2. Oh, Mr. T, that is the same like the other one. It looks like, but 2x here is now inside the parentheses. Okay, how are we going to answer this? But before that, again, we have index, the radical sign or the squared symbol. We have the radicand, which is inside the parentheses, and the exponent. Okay, so our answer is quantity of 2x raised to 2 over 4. Okay, again, we have, you can see the radicand became our base, the index became our denominator, and the exponent became our numerator. But we are not yet done. Okay, so we need to distribute the exponent. Okay, so we have 2 raised to 2 over 4 and the x raised to 2 over 4. Just like that. You got it. Now it's time to test your skills. Again, our objective, I can write radical form to exponential form. You can do this. Bring out your paper and pencil. Number 1, square root of 81. Square root of 81. Don't forget there's a number 2 there, and in 81 there is number 1. Okay, so when you don't see any number there, it's square root, it has 2, and if it's an exponent, it is 1. Number 2, cube root of 64 raised to 2. Cube root of 64 raised to 2. Number 3, fourth root of 16 raised to 3. Fourth root of 16 raised to 3. Number 4, square root of 100. Number 4, square root of 100. And number 5, fifth root of 32 raised to 3. Fifth root of 32 raised to 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you need more time, you can pause this video. For more Math Made Easy videos with Mr. T, you can visit my channel at www.youtube.com Jason Timtiman Playlist. See you there! Thanks for watching. Always remember, stay safe and healthy.